Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to creating label design using Adobe Illustrator CC. Okay, I will start it. First, create a circle object like this, and create small circle. Uh, maybe like this, and put over here. And I will change the color using red color like this. And click this object, small circle, and select rotate tool and click on the center. I will using 10 and click copy, and I will duplicate like this. Okay, looks good. Now I will type simple text just for sample, but you can type your own text. Simple text like this, and I will change the size to 21, too small. I will change to a little bit bigger like this, and I will delete this circle. Delete. Okay. In this object, I will delete too, and I will create new circle like this. And I will change fill to stroke. Click here and change the size to 7 and move the position like this. Maybe bigger. Now I will create box object using white color, and I will put over here. Now go to edit, click copy, and paste in front, and move over here too. So looks much better. Now I will change the font style. Click here. Let me see. I will choose the best my font. Much better. Now I will create circle again, and I will put over here. Now change the fill to stroke. Click here, and now click and hold, and select type on a path tool, and click here. I will change the size first to 6. Too small. I will change to 21. Okay, nice. Tag line logo here. Check line your logo here. Maybe bigger, a little bit bigger. 24. Much better. And at the bottom I will write text as well. Maybe simple text, maybe the best seller of the years. I will change the size smaller, maybe 21. Okay, looks good. Now I need to change the color. The color of this circle, the small circle. I will change to orange here. In this line too, I will change to orange. On the tag, I will change to white color. I will create background first. I will choose blue, dark blue. Maybe a little bit darker. Okay, like this. Okay. In this box object, I will change to blue, dark blue too. Click the background, double click on the fill, and you see this code. Right click, copy, okay, and click this object and change the code like this. You has copy the code of the background and click OK. The symbol text I will change to white color. Something wrong on this color. And the fill color I will remove and I will change to white color like this. I think that looks much better. And this the basic of creating label logo design in Adobe Illustrator CC. If you have a question, you can leave a comment below, and see my description. You can go to my YouTube channel using that link on my description and click like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video tutorial. I will try to update my video tutorial every day. Let's see the next video. See you later.